Good morning, dear students. I have completed chapter 9 reproduction in animals, and today I will start new chapter, and name of the new chapter is the lesson 10 reaching the age of adolescence. And I will answer the following from the chapter 9 reproduction in animals through the PDF, and you can check there. Notes you will get in that there, and today I will start lesson 10 reaching the age of adolescence, and I will give you introduction. Reaching the age of adolescence. Reaching the age of adolescence. So in this chapter, in chapter 9, we learned about the need for reproductive organs. These organs are present right at the time of your birth, but they are become functional only after later in life, not before. Also, by now you have seen how your body has changed. Your parents would tell you that you are growing up. What does this growing up mean? When the reproductive organs starts producing gametes. When the reproductive organs starts producing gametes, that is the sperm or ova, and the body becomes capable of reproduction. And the body becomes capable of reproduction. As you know, human body cannot start reproducing right from birth. It does so only after a certain age. And in this chapter, we shall study the change that takes place during the growth of a child into an adult, as well as the chemical substances, that is the hormones, responsible for the changes. Chemical substances, hormones are responsible for the changing or changes in the body. So, what is the adolescence and puberty? Adolescence and puberty. What is the adolescence and what is the puberty? Rate of growth in humans. Rate of growth in humans differ with age, and the fastest growth occur during infancy, which represents a baby or child below the age of 1 year. You know that rate of growth or differs with age, and the fastest growth occur during infancy, which represents a baby or child below the age of 1 year. High rate of growth also occurs during adolescent age, representing growth beginning about 11 years and coming to an end at about 18 or 19 years. What is adolescence or adolescent age? What is adolescence and adolescent age? The period of time when the body undergoes changes. When changes occurs in the body leading to reproductive maturity is called the adolescence. the period of time when the body undergoes changes leading to the reproductive maturity is called the adolescence. As mentioned above, it begins around the age of 11 years and lasts up to 18 or 19 years. And adolescents are also called teenagers. Adolescents are also called the teenagers. The adolescent period covers the teenage 13 to 18 or 19 years of age. In girls, adolescence begin a year or two earlier than in boys. During adolescence, the human body undergoes a number of changes. During the teenagers, number of changes occurs and the testis starts to make a sperm. The testis starts to make a sperm and the ovaries start to make eggs. And in other words, the reproductive organs become functional. And after during the teenagers, reproductive organs become functional, and the age at which reproductive organs become functionally active is called the puberty. At puberty, therefore, the boys and girls become capable of reproduction. What is the puberty? During the puberty, boys and girls are capable for the reproduction. Testis releasing sperms and ovaries can form ova. So that situation is called the puberty. And let us now understand the changes which takes place at puberty. Changes at puberty. Which kind of changes during puberty? Growth of the body is an important character during puberty. You know that growth of the body is the important character during puberty, and the different parts of the body during adolescent age at different rates. Head, hands, feet reach adult size very soon and therefore look disproportionately larger for some time, and legs grows faster than the torso and then stop while the torso continues to grow. The rapid growth in adolescence is due to the hormones secreted by the body, and the two main types of hormones, sex hormones and the growth hormones. Two types of hormones are there in the body, sex hormones and growth hormones. Influence adolescence age in boys and girls. And some of the conspicuous changes which takes place during puberty are given below. Increase in height. Sudden increase in height is the most conspicuous changes during puberty, and initially girls grows faster than boys. But the age of 18 years or so, both reach their maximum height. The rate of growth, however, varies in different individuals, and some may grow gradually throughout puberty, while other may grow faster at puberty and then slow down. Average rate of growth in height of boys and girls in percentage. Percentage of maximum or full height is 11 years, boys 81%, girls 88%. Age 12 years, boys 84%, girls 91%. The age of 13, boys 88 and girls 95. At the age of 14, boys 92, girls 98. Age of 15, boys 95, girls 99. Age of 16, boys 98, girls 99.5. Age of 17, percentage of boys 99% and girls 100%. In the age of 18, boys percentage 100% and girls also 100%. So this is the maximum of percentage of maximum or full height. And this table gives the percentage of maximum or full height a person has achieved at a particular age. For example, by the age of 12, a boy has 84% of his possible maximum height, while a girl has reached 91% of her maximum height. And this information can be used to calculate the maximum height by the following formula: maximum height in centimeter, present height in centimeter upon percentage of maximum height at this age into 100. Maximum height in centimeter, maximum height is equal to maximum height is equal to present height in centimeter, present in centimeter, percentage of maximum height at this is percentage of maximum height, percentage of maximum height at this age into 100. For example, if a boy is 12 years old and has reached 130 centimeter height is 130 centimeter. At the end of the growth period, he is likely to attain a maximum height of 130 by 84 into 100. 130, that is the present height in centimeter. 130 percentage of maximum height at this age. What is the percentage height during the age of 12? Percentage height of boys is 84 into 100 is equal to 154.8 centimeter. Average height is 154.8 centimeter. Data from the table 10.1. And proper growth of the body, no doubt, is related to the right kind of food eaten during the growing years. We shall discuss the significance of proper nutrition during adolescence later in this chapter. So till here you will take revision.